Discuss the influence of legal rules existing in society.
have
We
to
did not discuss this, right?
Yes, ma'am. We have to discuss now.
All right. So next question is discuss the influence of legal rules existing in society. What is influence? That means how legal rules are affecting the society, right? In what ways legal rules are having some kind of impact on the society that you need to discuss basically. What are legal rules? It's also same like laws only, right? We may have a legislation, we may have constitution, we may have some judicial decisions, or there may be some government notifications that come from time to time, right? Like recently there is I think weekend lockdown in Mumbai. In some places like Punjab and all, there is night curfew. How these things are done? With the help of some notifications, right? Government would pass some notifications, we need to follow that accordingly. That means those also would be legal rules only, right? That it is some kind of a uh, it's some kind of a notification where some provisions are mentioned and we accordingly need to follow that, we accordingly need to obey that. So all of those will be legal rules, legislations, constitution, judicial decisions, some notifications, orders, whatever it is, those are legal rules. So how legal rules influence society, right? What kind of influence will legal rules have on the society, right? We need to basically discuss that part. So we need to discuss how legal rules will affect the society or what impact it will have on the society. Now it's more or less same with the other answer that we discussed, right? Functions of law, it's more or less same only. Those were functions that law will perform, but here in some ways laws will influence the society, right? It's more or less same only. I have just modified the answer a little bit and otherwise it's same. So you can again go with an introduction where you can mention regarding society, right? Because they are asking with regard to society, you can mention that man is a social animal. We need a society to be able to share our thoughts, our pain and pleasure. But members of the society tend to have differences in terms of their likes, dislikes, opinions, right? What you like, I may not like that. I may have a different opinion as compared to yours. Thus, what happens is there arises need for some rules and regulations which will be binding on the members, right? Maybe you want to play loud music at night and then you want to dance, right? But all the other people, almost all the other people, they want to sleep peacefully at night, right? So what happens? There need to be some rules and regulations to tell you that you need to reduce your volume a little bit and then you can do whatever you want, right? So there may be all these things that we have. So because of these differences and all that stuff, we need some rules and regulations. Thus arises the need for some legal rules or regulations which will be binding on members. Legal rules play a great role in framing and development of the society, right? It will play a great role in development of the society. How? Because people will behave in a certain way, right? They would not just do whatever they want to do. Now, what are legal rules? After giving intro, you can just mention what legal rules basically mean. Okay, so what are legal rules? You can just explain in your own words. One second. All right. So what are legal rules? Legal rules are those binding rules and regulations that members of a society need to abide by, right? Whatever you need to abide by, that is legal rules. If your university has declared from 15th to 23rd, you have your exams, that means you have your exams. You need to go and attend those, right? You cannot say that, no, I'm not feeling like appearing for legal methods on 23rd, rather on 15th only I will write. You cannot say that, right? So that means those are also legal rules. These may relate to different aspects of life, like deciding speed limit of a vehicle. You cannot just drive in any speed that you prefer, right? If there is a speed limit mentioned 30 kilometers per hour, you cannot cross that speed, right? Selecting career options. You cannot just say on a fine day that from today I'm going to practice law. You cannot go like that, right? You need to complete your course, obtain a license accordingly. You will be able to do it. Paying income tax or consequences of committing a crime. How you need to pay income tax, how much, when, all that stuff is also defined. What will happen in case I commit a crime? Everything is defined by some sort of rules and regulations, which will be what? Nothing but legal rules that are binding on us. Legal rules can influence a lot of aspects of the society, and following are some of the influences that legal rules will have in the society. Now, these influences are same like the ones we had for functions of law, just slightly I have changed. Right? There was law helps in development of new laws. I have made it legal rules can influence in development of new laws. Right? Legal rules can influence social reform in a society. Legal rules influence justice delivery in the system in the society. Influence of legal rules on political system of the society. Influences the way minorities enjoy their rights. Influences legal rules on trade, business, profession, etc. Influence on economic activities of the country, regulations of human relations, resolving dispute, establishing standards, international relations, interpretation of statute. More or less, these are same, just the sentences I have slightly modified. So you can go through this answer, you will be able to recall it, all right? And then you can finally give a conclusion saying that thus legal rules and society must go hand in hand. A society cannot progress and develop in absence of some basic rules that we need to follow or fulfill, right? We need some basic rules that we will fulfill. Similarly, rules and regulations will have no meaning if if there is no one to abide by, right? A law is set, but no one is there on whom it will be applicable. In that case, it will have no meaning again, right? So we would need some people who would follow those rules and regulations. The influence of legal rules in a society cannot be restricted to just one area of law, but it is related to all aspects of the society, right? Be it your how much where you are residing, how much of property tax you need to pay, how much of school fees, college fees you need to pay, what will be your mode of transport. There are many things, right? In every single aspect, some or the other law is applicable on us, right? If you are buying some food, you are going outside to have lunch, you pay one tax, right? GST you would pay, state GST, central GST, 6%, 6%. How is that fixed? Even that is fixed by some kind of a law, right? GST Act. So accordingly, it will be that legal rules will influence each and every aspect of our life being members of a society. All right, points are otherwise same, just slightly here and there I have modified. So is this part clear?
Yes, ma'am.